This is the video guide about getting rid of the browser notifications and pretty misleading pop-ups that are associated with the site dbeforeitthem.com. dbeforeitthem.com is a junk site that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. dbeforeitthem.com tries to mislead people and to make them click on Allow button, supposedly to help users continue their browsing or for some other misleading reasons. But whenever people mistakenly click on that Allow button, first of all, they may be redirected to some other junk sites. And on top of that, people will start receiving the huge amount of advertisements that will be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, you need to fix your browser urgently by accessing the menu, then Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So research all these sites allowed to send notifications, remove these junk sites in case you find them on the list. Now, in order to be convinced that your system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So, download the application, install it, and start examining your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.